In the peaceful village of Nandapur lived a young boy named Riju. He was clever, energetic, and liked by everyone, except for one thing. He lacked patience. Riju wanted quick results in everything. If he studied for a day, he wanted to be the top student immediately. If he planted a flower, he expected it to bloom the next morning. One afternoon, his grandfather, Dadu, gave him a small brown seed. "This is a very special seed," Dadu said. "If you take care of it every day, it will grow into something beautiful." Riju's eyes lit up. "How long will it take?" "That," Dadu smiled, "depends on your patience." Riju immediately planted the seed in a pot, poured some water, and waited. The next morning, he woke up excited, ran to the pot, and found nothing but wet soil. He frowned. Maybe it needs more water. He poured again. The next day, still nothing. "This seed is useless," he shouted. Dadu shook his head. "Great things take time. Don't give up so quickly." Riju forced himself to wait another day, but impatience grew inside him like a fire. He poured too much water, then too little. Some days he forgot altogether. Then in frustration, he dug up the soil to check whether the seed was still there. Every time he dug, the seed lost a little more of its chance to grow. Weeks passed. One morning, Riju found the seed had rotted. He sat beside the pot, disappointed and irritated with himself. Dadu sat next to him. "My child, do you understand what went wrong?" "I tried, but nothing happened." "You didn't give it time," Dadu replied. "A seed needs care, but also patience. You kept digging it up because you wanted quick results. Anything that grows, plants, dreams, even people, needs time and steady effort." Riju lowered his head. "I'm sorry, Dadu. I spoiled it." Dadu smiled warmly and placed another seed in his hand. "Here, try again, and this time, trust the process." This time Riju changed. Every morning he watered the pot just the right amount. Every evening he checked the soil gently without disturbing it. He waited silently, patiently, days, then weeks. One bright morning, he spotted a tiny green shoot pushing through the soil. His heart leapt. "Dadu, it's growing!" Dadu hugged him proudly. "See, patience brings life." Riju cared for the plant every day, and slowly it grew into a beautiful flower. He placed it near the window where sunlight warmed its petals. The flower became a symbol not of beauty, but of discipline, patience, and growth. From that day on, Riju changed his approach to everything: study, work, even relationships. He learned that good things don't happen overnight, but through dedication and time.